Wow, what a sunny day, isn't it? I don't remember the last time we had such a hot day. Excuse me? Do we know each other? I don't think so. Sorry. Oh, sorry. It's just that I was by the seashore and I saw you. So I decided to come and say hello. Really? So you think you can just come and say hello because I like you? Oh, no, no. I think you are misunderstand me. I think I know you. Seriously? How's that possible? I think you're never seen you before in my life. Sufi. You are Sufi, right? We studied together in the school. Remember? Yes, my name is Sufi, but I don't remember you. We studied together in the school, you said. Yes, Alex, the Brazilian guy you used to call Little Curly. Alex. Alex. Oh, Alex. Now I remember you. Wow, it's been a long time. Finally, yeah. So you thought I was stalking you. There's no way. Haha. Yes, well, nowadays it's very typical to see this kind of situations. Probably, but tell me, how have you been? Do you usually come to this beach? I always come to this beach in summer. I usually come on Saturdays or Sundays sometimes. Cool. It's the first time I come here since I have just arrived yesterday. I've never thought you would come to this part of the world. How small can the world be? Tell me about it. I always go to the beach because I love surfing, you know. Okay, but here in this beach, you can't surf. The waves are too quiet unless you want to try anyway. Haha, I know. Today I'm not surfing. I'm here just to relax and swim a little. I remember you used to swim very well, or that's what you told me because I never knew it. Yes, I can swim very well, but now I'm just walking by the seashore and that's why I saw you. I see, and tell me, do you practice any water sports or just surfing? Well, once I tried parasailing and it was so thrilling. You should try it sometime. Parasailing? Whoa, it sounds like dangerous. Don't you think? Not really. Once you get used to it, this become very easy to practice. You're really brave. And what other water sports do you usually try or practice? I used to practice canoeing when I lived in Brazil. You should go there sometime. I would love to. I never traveled to South America, but I'm planning to visit it very soon. You can also practice boat racing, kayaking, sailing, and many other water sports. I know Brazil has some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Is that correct? It totally is. It's always sunny in Brazil, so you can go to the beach all the year. Wow, I really must go there. Well, this beach is beautiful too. It's peaceful and quiet. I can see that. Do many people come here often? I mean, is it very popular beach? Of course. We receive many tourists every year. In fact, you are one of them. So, you're right. But what about the other beaches around? I have seen some. Well, the others are probably less popular, but in my opinion, they are more relaxing. Really? What are they? I should put them on my itinerary because I plan to go to all of them. Do you? My most favorite is Sunrise Beach. The scenery is just too much for the eyes. That sounds really good. And what activities can you do there? Can you practice any sport? Sure, but they are better to relax. You can eat some seafood, swim, and sunbathe. And talking about sunbathing, I see you are very well tanned. I like it. Thank you. The sun here is perfect to sunbathe, but you need a good suntan lotion. Yeah, I always take it with me. It is dangerous to be on the beach without it, for sure. Hey, which are you going to go tomorrow? Maybe we can go together if you want. That would be great. I'm not sure yet. I've heard of this beach, Santana Beach. No, I don't remember you to go to the beach. Never go there. Why? Is it that horrible? Some people told me you can eat well there and it is a nice beach. It is nice, but the water is not so clean. I prefer this one because the water quality is excellent. That's way. Thanks for telling me about it. I don't like dirty beaches. That's horrible. You know what? I'll take you to the best beach you will ever see in your entire life tomorrow. That sounds very exciting. What beach is it? I'm really excited to know it. It will be a surprise, but I'm sure you will enjoy it. In fact, you can go surfing there. Excellent. Thank you very much. Is it far from here? I don't have a car. A little, yes, but don't worry. I will take you there with my car. I'll go with some friends. Amazing. I can't wait to see it. Hey, would you like to drink a soda or beer? Sure, a soda would be great. I don't like drinking beer, especially on the beach. Sure, I saw a good bar near here. Let's go now, or we'll leave late. You have to stay here until the sunset. It is just amazing. You won't believe it. Okay then, let's go swimming for some hours. Do you like the idea? I like the idea. Let's better take advantage of this amazing sunny day. Yeah, it is really amazing. let's go. By the way, you can lend me your suntan lotion? I thought you always took your suntan lotion with you. What happened? Dude, but the thing is that I forgot in my friend's car, and I don't want to bother him with that. It's okay. I will lend you mine, but we need to go to my car, okay? It's over there. Great. Thank you very much. I have to use it or my skin can be damaged. You know, I know. That's why I always use it. Come on. It's over here. Let's go.